What a move from Bitcoin. Can you believe we're at 27k? So a couple of weeks ago, I mentioned that my target for Bitcoin and Ethereum was the 100-day moving average. What I'm doing now is I'm looking at that 100-day moving average because that's my next target. And I explained how the price consistently revisits, taps, crosses, and moves around. You can expect the price to consistently move towards that 100-day, and it will test it as a support or resistance zone. So we had that bounce, it was perfect. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I've got the 200-day up now as well, because what I want to show is, if you look on the weekly chart, the 200-day moving average is the absolute most important. So I've actually got the weekly chart open now, and if you look, the 200 MA is the most crucial level, and it's possibly the most important level in Bitcoin's history. And if you look, it's acted as support through its entire existence. It's never broke below until this bear market. It's the first time we broke below. As you can see, we came back up and we broke back above. It was sort of a fake out. We came back down and then we ranged below. We had the double bottom. We came back up and then we tested it sort of a couple of times, got rejected, came back down, and we've just punched through that level. The strength of this candle is insane. So in short, the most important thing to look at right now is that we close above this level tomorrow, so end of the week, Sunday night, and we hold above. So we'd have to close and hold. So we're looking for it to hold above for a few weeks, because the price now is most likely, if we do close above that level, is most likely going to come back down, retest it as support, bounce around a couple of times, and then punch off. If it doesn't do that, then it'll break back below, and then it'll continue to range below, and it will continue to act as a resistance level to the price. So this is the absolute most important thing right now. Forget what Tom, Dick and Gary shouting and screaming about for 2 fucking minutes. This is the only thing that matters in the entire crypto space right now, is that we break, close and hold above the 200 moving average. It's fucking exciting times, guys, to be in this game. Exciting fucking times. This last few weeks has been fucking crazy. Absolutely fucking crazy. And we've played it perfectly. Fucking perfectly. So I'm really excited, guys. I took a little bit of profit. I did say that I'm not taking profit aggressively. Even if we do get rejected at this level, I think it's now a sensible time to start stacking. Obviously, I'm not buying here. Anyone buying here is crazy. You know, this is, if you're doing anything right now, it should be selling. You know, taking some profit. I've took some profit, but I've repeated myself consistently that I'm going to reduce how aggressively I'm taking profit, and that I'm going to now focus on stacking and preparing myself for the bull market. And it might be 7, 8, 9, 10, could be a year until we go back into a bull market. But I don't want to be rushing around at the last minute trying to pack my bags while the market's taking off. I want to do it, you know, in my own time. I want to be relaxed, chilled. I want to enjoy this, and I want to have a front row seat ready for the fireworks. And it isn't just going to be making money and enjoying the price going up. That's going to be fun. The best part is going to be watching everyone else going crazy, because I see it every single cycle, and I saw it in 2018, 19. All the people that were calling for 1k Bitcoin are the same people that are now calling for 10k Bitcoin. They never get back in, and they become perma bears. They wire their brain to never buy because they can't accept the fact that they couldn't get back in. So, and then they end up leaving the space, but they're the most bitter, negative people on the planet. And I think it's very important to understand that it's not about being all in or all out. It's about moving the ball around and having some exposure and then increasing and decreasing that depending on what the market's doing. That's why I'm saying you've got to dollar cost average in and scale out, and you've got to adjust the risk, the exposure, and how aggressive you're taking those profits, where you're moving them to. You've got to play the game. If you aren't doing that, the game's going to play you. So guys, stay tuned. I'm basically covering how I'm trading, the techniques I'm using. It's not rocket science. It's just more about focus and consistency. And guys, don't forget to join us at the Gem Hunters. Follow us at the Gem Hunters. We're finding all the latest low cap projects, identifying all the narratives. Got a great team of guys working over there, amazing community. You can jump into the Telegram community and anyone will help you. It's completely free. If you've got issues navigating the space, creating MetaMask wallets, trust wallets, exchanges, bridging funds, adding different chains, you just ask in the Telegram channel and somebody will help you, and it's completely free. We're all working together, we're all helping each other, and we all share a similar passion, similar purpose. There's nothing better. So jump into the Telegram channel, follow us on Twitter, and guys, stay safe. Hope you enjoy the next few weeks. It'll be fucking fun.